At Udemy, we're here to improve lives through learning. That's why we started this channel. We want to give you a totally free resource to learn something new, whatever your goals are. Subscribe to the Udemy channel for high-quality lectures in a variety of topics. You'll get bite-sized how-to lessons, practice projects, and tips on teaching a course of your own. Plus, you'll see student and instructor stories that motivate and inspire you to imagine what's possible. Find the right playlist to develop the skills you need, whether you're trying to start a new career, advance in your current field, or have the curiosity to just learn something new. From front and back-end development to business and personal development and much more, each video gives you an opportunity to preview specific topics and teaching styles so you can choose the right fit for you. And our expert instructors are constantly creating new courses on in-demand skills so our content always remains fresh. If you want to enroll in the full course at any time, you can always find a link to it in the video description. All Udemy courses come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free. And if you're inspired to share your knowledge and teach a course of your own, we have videos to help you get started with that too. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay up to date on the topics you love. Enjoy learning something new and have fun exploring this channel.